Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. Today, we'll walk you through how to adjust the approver of workflow nodes when the original node approver has changed positions. This ensures your business workflows remain uninterrupted and properly reassigned. We take this workflow form as an example. Let's start by submitting some example workflow records. Since I'm the approver for this workflow, when we go to My Tasks, we can see the two records we just submitted. Now, we back to the form and go to Manage Data. Tick the entries we just submitted and you will see workflow actions on the toolbar. Select Change Approver Form the drop-down list. Select Former Approver Erica and set a new approver. Click OK, and the system will begin updating all selected workflows. Then you will see a detailed results page showing which records were successfully adjusted. Also, you can click View Edit History to track the full history of approver changes. Now we go to My Tasks again and see the two records have disappeared because they've now been reassigned to the new approver. Then we switch to the new approver layers workspace. In My Tasks, we can find two records have been reassigned here. So that's how you can easily adjust workflow approvers in Jodoo. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.